So in this Java program, we are starting with multi-line comments. We can see whatever is written in between slash star and star slash symbol are treated as a comments. And I have already discussed about comments in my another Java video. Please check in this link to know more about Java comments. And after multi-line comments, I have written package first Java program that creates a folder to store the class file generated after compilation. After package creation, we have to import required classes. For importing, first we have to decide which class are needed in our program. Generally, programmers are interested in two things, either using the classes by creating objects in them or using the methods of the classes. Suppose if a programmer wants to use a class, then that class name should be imported into his program. If he want to use a method, then that corresponding class or interface should be imported into his program. And here we can see we have imported the class library java.lang and its subsequent classes in the code. It means all the classes are belongs to this package are imported. We know that import statement makes the JVM go the Java standard library, execute the code there and substitute the result into the program. Here no code is copied, hence no waste of memory or processor time. So import is an effective mechanism than hash include. We know that hash include directive makes the compiler go to the C++ standard library and copy the code from the header file into the program. As a result, the program size increases, thus wasting memory and processor time. It means import statement is better than hash include statement. After importing, we have to write class. Class keyword is used to create a class in Java. It initiates the class having the main method. It should bear the name of the file first.java. And inside the class, we are writing the main function. So this main function starts with public keyword. That public keyword is an access modifier which represents accessibility. It means it is accessible to all. Since main method should be available to the JVM, it should be declared as public. After public, there is another keyword static. Static is a keyword. If we declare any method as a static, it is known as static method. The core advantage of static method is that there is no need to create object to invoke the static method. JVM call main method using its class name as here my class name is first, so JVM will call first.main at the time of running the program. So it does not require to create object to invoke the main method, so it also saves memory. And after static we have void. As we already aware about that, void is the return type of the method. It means it does not return any value. And after void we have a function name main. Main represents startup, means it's an entry point of the program. Main method, it is compulsory. If main method is not returned in Java, JVM will not execute it. So main method is compulsory. We can see that inside main method we have a parameter string args. It is useful for command line argument. Args is an array of console line argument whose data type is string. In this array, we can store various string arguments by invoking them at the command line. For example, suppose we are passing hello Java, then it will be stored in the array as argument 0 index, hello will store and Java will store in args index 1. So this is all about the main function. So inside the main function, we are printing the output. So here if we see system.out.println, here system is the class name and out is the static variable in the system class, and system.out gives the print stream class object. This object by default represents the standard output device, that is the monitor. So system.out.println is used to display the result on the monitor. So this is all about the detail of Java program.